Judge Will Makaibay. Presenters for the third runner-up, I'd like to call on Honorable Bonifacio Bustamante and Honorable Crino V. Poquito with Judge Olive Febenito.
Congratulations, candidate number 11, our fourth runner-up. Let's proceed with our third runner-up. Third runner-up is candidate number 9.
Once again, the presenters, Honorable Bonifacio Bustamante and Honorable Crino V. Poquita with Judge Olive Febenito.
Congratulations, candidate number 9, our third runner-up.
The second runner-up presenters would like to call on Honorable Phil Octavio Otor, Honorable Fe Diaz, with Miss Teen Maxine Isabel Monasterio.
All right, may we ask our three candidates to please move forward? A little bit forward. More. All right, that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, second runner-up is... Second runner-up is candidate number 1.
Honorable Phil Octavio Otor, Honorable Fe Diaz, Miss Teen Maxine Isabel Monasterio. Presenter, I'd like to call on Honorable Teodolfo Pong Lao Jr., Miss Diana Bagono, Miss Sirio, and Honorable Monching Tabor.
Two more ladies and gentlemen, and I know one of them is our new Miss Lapasan 2008. Ladies and gentlemen, one of them told me that if the Miss Lapasan cannot fulfill her reign, the first runner-up will actually take over.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's the major role of the first runner-up.
Yes. So that contradicts the question. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, first runner-up is candidate number 4. Thank you very much for the fireworks. That's a surprise. Customs Collector. Congratulations to our winner. Our winner is actually, congratulations and since Mark Savior together with